Here's how you can upload high quality stories on Instagram. Start by opening up Instagram and tap on account on the bottom right and tap on three bars on the top right and go for settings and privacy. Once you are in your settings and privacy, you just have to search for data and go for media quality, which is on the top. And as you can see, there are three options. The first one is use less mobile data, upload at highest quality. So make sure to enable this because by default this is on disable mode. So you have to make sure that it is enabled. Once you are done, you have to hop into your settings and search for camera. And once you have search for camera, you just have to tap on that and make sure that all of the recording formats are set to high quality. So you just have to go for formats and tap on high efficiency. If you are on Android, you can select highest quality. Hope this helped. This is how you can upload high quality stories on Instagram.